Okay, here's our girl. She is small and she is bony. Oh, I do see that her hip bones are protruding out here at the back. We don't know if there are any medical problems, none to know, but she's got some bones sticking out here in the back. Look at these bones sticking out here in the back. Hi!
She's got nails.
Yes, she does. But look at these bones sticking out here at the back of her. Is this anything at her rear?
Yeah.
Or is that just skinny, or is that...
Because she's skinny.
She's just that skinny. She seems so young, but I think she's high-strung because she's so skinny. Hey, pretty girl. You're a very pretty girl. And we think she's 7 years old, Veronica?
Yeah.
You seem like a baby to me. What a pretty girl you are. Yes, you're so happy to get out and walk around. Look at you. What a pretty girl you are. Yeah, that's my sweater.
That was almost a toy.
Yes, it is. She's just happy to be petted and be loved by everybody. Yeah. Today, yeah, you can see her ribs. She's pretty skinny. Okay. We're running out of battery juice on this set of batteries, so.
Come here, Mama. Thank you.
Yeah. What's her name again?
Watch her butt.
Her name is?
Just because it's sensitive from her laying on one.
Oh, I'll bet it is.
It's getting better, though. It's getting better.
I'll bet. Okay.
You know, like, have you ever